By the end of this video, you will know how to set up repeating bills in Xero. Start by signing in to your Xero account. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to the top menu and click Purchases. From there, select Bills to open the Bills area, where you can create and manage supplier bills. In the Bills section, move to the top right corner and click the New Bill drop-down. From the options in that menu, choose New Repeating Bill. This opens the Repeating Bill form, where you set the schedule and the bill details that Xero will use for future entries. Begin with the repeat settings. Select how often the bill should repeat by choosing the billing frequency. Then set the invoice date and the due date. If the repeating bill should only run for a certain period, add an end date. If it should continue without a set finish, leave that field blank. Next, choose how each bill should be created when the scheduled date arrives. You can have each repeating bill saved as a draft, or set it to be automatically approved. Draft status gives you a chance to review each bill before it is finalized, while approved status creates it ready for processing based on the schedule you have set. Now move to the Bill From field and select the supplier for this repeating bill. If you need to include an internal note or supplier reference, enter that in the reference field. This can help identify the bill later when you are reviewing transactions. After that, confirm the currency for the bill. Then choose whether the bill amounts are tax inclusive or tax exclusive. Make sure this matches the way the supplier normally issues their bill, so the totals calculate correctly. Enter the line item details for the bill. Fill in the item if you use item codes, then add the description, quantity, unit price, account, and tax rate. Check the account carefully before moving on, since that determines where the expense is recorded. If the repeating bill includes more than one item or service, click Add a new line and enter the additional details the same way. When all line items are in place, review the subtotal, tax, and total at the bottom of the bill. Take a moment to confirm that the schedule, supplier, tax treatment, and amounts all match what you expect. This is the point to catch any wrong date, incorrect account, or missing line before the repeating bill starts generating future entries. To finish, click Save or Approve depending on the option you selected for the repeating bill. Xero will then store the template and use it to create future bills automatically based on the schedule you chose. Your repeating bill is now configured, and Xero will automatically create future bills based on the schedule you selected.